What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about five vegan documentaries that will help you go vegan and stay vegan and also educate other people. I hope you get a lot of helpful information from this video. Stick around. Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 5 vegan documentaries that I would urge any vegan or plant-based person that is trying to make the switch or hold on to the switch or convince others to make the switch to watch. So it's gonna be really easy. A few of these on the first one on the list actually is what helped me make my transition, because initially when I was making the transition, or before I had made the connections to everything, I just was living just a wild life. I was doing the absolute most, eating the most, doing the most. But anyway, I made a change. So with that change, I'm starting off with number 5 at Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. This is a video all about juicing and a man who juiced. I'll show a clip.
I'm certainly no picture of health. I look like I've swallowed a sheep.
All right, Joe, come on over and step on the scale over here.
Fat.
Here it is here, look. I mean, it's sitting here.
Sick.
I've got a thing called chronic urticaria.
I've been taking pills night and day.
Looking at these bottles here, it doesn't look good, does it?
And nearly dead.
I might have already had a heart attack and died.
G'day. My name's Joe Cross.
Alright, moving on to number 4. Number 4 is a more recent movie. It's all about athletes that run on plants. The movie's called The Game Changers. I will now roll a clip of that.
Okay, I'm going to take you down to the exam room. When I think of a manly man, I think of somebody who has strength, endurance, sexual prowess, and fertility. And in fact, what the scientific studies are showing is that the more meat men eat, the more quickly they lose their manly manhood.
Next is a movie that came out. It came out right after I made my transition. So I had already transitioned to leaving the animal-based foods alone and strictly went to plant-based foods. And then this movie came out and it made it that much better. But we're gonna have to go with What's the Health. It was a very, very powerful movie, and it made a lot of people join the movement. And I will also show a clip of that now.
Well, first of all protein is made by plants. I'll state that again for the record. All protein is initially made by plants, all of it. And it is not necessary to eat animal tissue in order to get protein. Only plants have the ability to actually take nitrogen from the air, break those molecules apart, and incorporate that nitrogen into amino acids and then make protein. Any protein you get from an animal is simply recycled plant.
Next is a movie that will help you become more of a animal activist, or just more cautious and conscious about the other animals that live on this planet that we call Earth. So with that being said, I'm talking about Earthlings. It's a really hard movie to watch, but I'll insert a small clip here for you guys.
If what goes around comes around, what do they get for their pain? They are Earthlings. They have the right to be here just as much as humans do. Perhaps the answer is found in another age-old saying, and one equally true. We reap just what we sow.
Alright, moving right along. I think the most powerful movie one of the most powerful movies I've seen is going to be at number 1, and that movie is going to be Dominion. Dominion breaks down every single avenue of any animal-based food, from fish to chicken to turkey to duck, whatever. That's one of the great ones. A lot of these movies you can see on Netflix or you can see here on YouTube. But I'll show a clip of Dominion.
Today
Earthlings, tidal waves, washing all the world away.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you guys go binge watch these movies if you haven't watched them yet, so you can get filled up with all the information that you need to move forward and to help other people make their transition, as well as stick to your transition beyond Veganuary. I'm very proud of you guys that made it this far. We're on day 16. You're doing really good. I'm really proud. For all that who have been vegan, I'm super proud. Stay vegan, buy the merch, eat grass, not ass, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.